Can you see the screen? I sharing my screen right now. This is a Word file.
Yes,
In that,
sir.
the question
Yes,
problem
sir.
number one is there, and one more thing
Yes,
that
sir.
you already wrote the problem number one in your notebook also. Okay, now see the question. What is a basic question? From the following balances, a manufacturer prepare manufacturing account and trading account for the year ended 31st 3 2018. Opening stock raw materials 34,000, WIP 16,000. WIP means work in progress. Purchase raw materials 1 lakh, carriage 1 lakh 4,000, 1,400, freight 2,800, purchase returns 1,400, wages 12,800, then factory rent 7,600, for factory insurance 1,800, coal 3,200, repairs to machinery 1,500, royalty 2,000, closing stock. Under closing stock, raw materials 16,000, WIP 10,400, finished goods 50,000, purchase of goods purchase of goods 50,000, carriage on purchases of goods 600, sales 2,40,000, and sales return 2,200. These are particular question is there, and on that basis we will prepare manufacturing account and trading account. Only we have to prepare manufacturing account and trading account. It is very simple to prepare. Manufacturing account separately we have to prepare, and trading account also we will prepare separately. Before preparing, let us discuss which item come which side, whether it is a manufacturing account or trading account, that we are going to discuss first. First item, opening stock of raw material. Now, opening stock of raw material, it is manufacturing, it is record, we have to record manufacturing account debit side. You have to put in your notebook manufacturing account debit side. You already wrote the question, put in notebook where we have to write. So it is manufacturing account debit side. Then opening stock of work in progress. Opening stock of work in progress also come manufacturing account debit side. Then purchases of materials 1 lakh also debited to the manufacturing account debit side. One thing you have to keep in mind, manufacturing account we will record only factory related expenses debit side, and credit side factory related incomes. This, those who are not, mute yourself. I don't want any kind of other noises. Carriage manufacturing account debit side. Freight 2,800 also manufacturing account debit side. Purchase return purchases we already recorded 1 lakh. From this 1 lakh purchase return deduct we have to deduct from purchase return, and these are all items recorded manufacturing account debit side. So these things you have to keep in mind, which where we have to show. Then after that, wages 12,800, it is also factory related wages, manufacturing account debit side. Factory rent, manufacturing account debit side. Factory insurance, manufacturing account debit side. Coal is required in the factory, so it is also factory expenses. It is recorded manufacturing account debit side. Repair to machinery, it is related. Machinery is related to the manufacturing account, manufacturing process, and it is related to the factory. Therefore, their repairs expenses also recorded manufacturing account debit side. Royalty also recorded manufacturing account debit side. Then they are provided closing stocks. Three types of closing stocks are there: closing stock of raw material, closing stock of WIP, and closing stock of finished goods. Three type of we can say stock is there, closing stock. This closing stock of raw material we will deduct from direct materials. It is recorded manufacturing account closing stock of raw material, and it is less
Sir,
from raw material produced.
sir,
Closing stock of WIP, closing stock of work in progress, we will record it manufacturing account grade side. Manufacturing account grade side. Closing stock of finished goods, closing stock of finished goods, it is recorded
सर आवाज नहीं आ रहा है.
trading account debits. It is recorded trading account credit side. Trading account credit side. Finished goods item, closing stock of finished goods, we will record it credit trading account credit side. Purchase of the goods, goods purchase, it is also recorded goods purchase, it is also recorded trading account debit side. Carriage on purchase of goods, trading account debit side. Sales, trading account credit side. Sales return, trading account credit side, less from sales, you know that, but you should know about the manufacturing account. So I provided each and every items where we have to put. Do you have any problem? No. Okay, is there any problem? You can put in chat, I will explain. If any doubt regarding any particular item, I will explain. Now what we have to do, we will prepare our manufacturing account. For that purpose, I will use the Excel sheet. In that Excel sheet, I will prepare manufacturing account for the year ended 31st March 2018. You have to prepare this manufacturing account in your notebook, and in the notebook full whole page you have to give for manufacturing account. This is a debit side. This side particulars rupees is there. This side is called as a debit side. Particulars rupees and rupees, this side is called as a credit side. The debit side and credit side is there. Then after that, we will record it various kinds of items. We have discussed various kinds of items, and then after that, after preparing manufacturing account, then next account you should prepare in next page, that is a trading account for the year ended 31st March 2018, and it required only 5. Yes, what is going on? Who is Mr. Vaibhav? Vaibhav, mute yourself quickly. Yes, those who are entered, such students, even Ganesh Dhavle, mute yourself. Ganesh Dhavle, I don't want any kind of disturbance while delivering the lectures. It is very important. Those who are entered, whenever you are entering our class, our lecture online, that time you should aware about we have mute yourself, and it is very simple to click on your mute button. Okay, fine. So I don't want any kind of noise from your side. because many students are coming for study purpose. Those who are not coming for study purpose and disturbing the others, so it is not good for your health. Now, trading account we will prepare and manufacturing account we will prepare. You can prepare first page on notebook, whole page you have to write manufacturing account and trading account, you know, aware about. Now let us start our problem solving. Now you already write your problem, you wrote the problem on your notebook. You know the first sentence what they are provided, what was there in first sentence was, if you see the your notebook, first sentence was the from the following balances of a manufacturer, prepare manufacturing account trading account for the year ended 31st the 31st March 2018. First item, opening stock of raw material 34,000. So we will put here 2, opening stock. It is 34,000. We will record it inner column because purchases we have to add. Whatever purchases are there, that we have to add it. Then next item is there, opening stock of WIP 16,000. After keeping four to three lines, 3 to 4 lines, you have to write here 2, opening stock of WIP. Yes, Mr. Vaibhav, keep your audio mute mode. If it is not keeping, to leave the lecture. So see the friends, opening stock of WIP, we will keep here directly outer column and the amount is 16,000. See that whatever amount provided, whatever items we provided, that items we will record it in a proper sequence. Then after that, next item, purchase raw material 1 lakh. Now purchase raw material we will show, we will add it here, purchase raw material. It is value of raw material is 1 lakh. We have to show 1 lakh inner column because we have to add this raw material to opening stock of raw material. After that, next item is carriage 1,400. So leave 2 lines and then you can write here 2 carriage. Directly put outer column 1,400. Yes, I hope you understood. Now next item, freight they are provided 2,800. To freight. Yes, you can put in your notebook. You already prepared. You have the your notebook. You can write whatever we have studied. You have to going on. Now after this, next item is there, purchase return. Purchase return 1,400 is there. This is a freight. It is 2,800 is there. So we will here we have to write less per purchase return, and the value of the purchase return is 1,400. I hope you understood. After writing the purchase returns, next is wages 12,800. So we will write here to wages, and value of wages 1,800. After recording wages, next item coal 3,200. So we will record it here to coal. The value of coal is 3,200. It is very simple to write, just like a trading account. Then after that, next item is there, that is repair to machinery 1,500. We will write here to repair to.
So
Yes, any doubt here?
wages 12,800 है.
Wages, how much is it?
Wages 12,800.
Yes, it is 12,800. Okay. Machinery is there. How much value of machinery here? They are provided 1,500. So we will write here 1,500. Then after that, next item, that is royalty. Royalty also recorded, and the value of royalty is rupees 2,000. Value of royalty is rupees 2,000. After recording the royalty, next item is there closing stock. Closing stock of raw material 16,000. The closing stock of raw material, we will deduct it here, less closing stock. And the value of closing stock is 16,000. 16. So we will put in bracket because we have to deduct. Or sometime you can directly write only 16,000. There is no problem. So 34,000. 34,000, then 1 lakh we have to add it, 1,400 we have to deduct, and closing stock 16,000 we will deduct. The rest of the value, use your calculator and find out the value. Calculator you have to use 12 digit. Every lectures you have to bring the calculator. Without calculator we will not allow. It's a compulsory, bring the calculator regularly. 1 lakh into 34,000 and then 1,34,000. From this we have to deduct how much? 1,400 and 16,000. The rest of the value, how much you got? Use your calculator and brain and find out the value. Only one person got the same answer, one, and the name of the person is Mr. James Bond James 007. Where is your name? Yes, how much you got? 1,16,600. Right. Many are got. Even the Amay, Govind, Kaustub, Pooja also got same answers. So this 1,16,600 is called as a direct material. It's called as a direct material, that you have to keep in mind. It is a direct material. After recording this, next is a closing stock of WIP. Closing stock of WIP, we will record it, leave 2-3 lines, and then you have to write by closing stock of WIP. WIP means work in progress. Work in progress. And value is rupees 10,400. Value is rupees 10,400. I hope you understood what is going on. If the opening stock of WIP is there, we will record it. We already recorded here 16,000, and closing stock is there. We will record it credit side. Opening debit side, closing credit side. Opening stock of raw material, debit side, and from this we will deduct it closing stock of raw material. Then after that, next item is closing stock of finished goods. Closing stock of finished goods we will record in our trading account. In our trading account, credit side by closing stock of finished goods. These things you have to keep in mind where we will show our stocks. Stocks, there are three types of stocks. The closing stock of finished goods we will show in trading account credit side, and the value is rupees 50,000. After recording this particular value, now next is in our problem they are provided purchase of the goods 50,000. Purchase of the goods we will write here to purchase of goods, and the value rupees 50,000 is there, so we will write here 50,000 value. After recording this, next is carriage on purchase of goods, sale 600, carriage on purchase of goods, value rupees 600, value rupees 600. After recording carriage on purchase of goods, next item sales 2,40,000. Sales, you know that in trading account credit side by sales, and value they are provided 2,40,000. We will put inner column because sales return we will deduct from sales. Next item is there in our problem, sales return 2,200. Sales return is there 2,200. So less sales return, value 2,200. Now from this rest of the value, how much? Rest of the value you have to find out 2,40,000 minus 2,200. Rest of the value find out. How much you got? Use your calculator, use your brain, and you have to find out the value. It's a 2 lakh. Many are got. Yes, 2,37,800 is right. Right. 2,37,800. Okay, fine. So friends, now see that whatever problem they are provided, on that basis we recorded all items. We recorded all items. Now we have to close. Many students got these answers, 2,37,800. Now we will move further. Now what happened in our problem? They are provided these things and we recorded the all items right now. Now we don't have any kind of items, all items we recorded. Now what you will do the total of the debit side. Do the total of the debit side. Find out the total. Use your calculator and brain. How much you got debit side total? How much you got debit side total? I'm expecting from you. If you know something, you have to put in chat box how much will be the total. One lakh 56,300. Okay, fine. Many are got Pratiksha, Ganesh, Gauri, Vedant, Pratham, Tanmay also got. Now, yes, what is going on? Yes, I don't want any kind of noise from your side. So how much you got here? Total 1,56,300. Yes, what is going on? Okay, after recording this, after recording debit side total, then after that, from this, we will deduct this 10,400. We will deduct, we will write here credit side also 1,56,300 and remaining value that you have to find out 1,56,300 minus 10,400. Yes, you got the answers. How much amount you got? 1 lakh 45,900. 1,45,900 is a right answer. I think so. Yes, I got same. You also got same. You have to use your brain. Now, friends, this particular balance is called as a by cost of production. What we say here by cost of production. These are balancing figure. Balancing figure. And this cost of production balancing figure will be transferred to trading account debit side, where we will transfer trading account debit side. So we will move trading account now. I hope you understood. Here we will write here to cost of production, and we will write the value. How much you got here? 1,45,900. So we will write here 1,45,900. Now after this, we have to close our trading account. Now how we will close? First of all, you have to find out the credit side total. Find out the credit side total. Use your calculator and brain and find out the value. Credit side total, how much you got? Many students, Krutika, Divya, Deepa, Tanmay, Kaustubh, Pooja, Amay, Chaitali, Kiran got 2,87,800 answer. So yes, 2,87,800. Here also you have to write 2,87,800. Now from credit side total, you have to deduct the debit side's amount, three values, and you will get what? You know that gross profit carried down. How much you got? To find out the gross profit, अमय तन्मय प्रथम Kritika, Nandita, Kaustubh got 91,300. Yes, it is right. Okay. Even the Govind and Pooja also got same. Chaitali, Devesh, Divya got same answers. Okay, so these are particular, we can say that it is a balancing figure. And this particular balancing figure is our answer. So we got gross profit. And one question is there, whenever we have to prepare the manufacturing account, what we have to find out? So we have to find out the cost of production. We have to find out the cost of production. These things you have to keep in mind. Sometime it will become in objectives. Now cost of production, where we will transfer cost of production? It will be transferred to the trading account debit side. And you know that the trading account, why we prepare? To find out the gross profit or sometime gross loss. I hope you understood. Our problem is over. So problem number second is homework to you. Problem number second is homework to you. Problem number one is over. You have to do the homework. Okay, fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Okay,
Good
sir.
night. Bye. Good night.
Bye, sir.